late today because I had to wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to take my wife to work. Yeah, I'm gonna say I'm a morning person, but not that type of morning person. But I will get up if I have to, so I haven't had no sleep since then. So we are going to be doing the final touches on this 72-volt triangle battery that we've been working on for the past 4 days, and I wanted to finish it up with y'all watching. So I got my cutters here now. What we're going to be working on is these final series connections. So we flip it over. We're going to have this connection and this connection right here. What is going on, Brett? Yeah, man, I'm finna finish this battery up, man. I want y'all to watch me and see. So this part right here, we're gonna have to reinforce. So I'm gonna be using point 0.3 3 millimeter copper and point 0.3 millimeter nickel, because of the way it's this part right here is configured. So it's not like this, like how 1718 is. So the 210 amps is going to be distributed between these two groups once we connect these in series. So we have a group here and a group there, and we're going to connect these in series. So the 210 won't be distributed right here and here. It's going to be distributed between these two cells right here. Okay, so we need to reinforce that, and then we're going to enforce our positive with point 0.3 on this side with point 0.3 millimeter nickel and point 0.3 millimeter copper. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, so we'll get the fireworks started. We are working with the Glitter 811H. It's a 42 kilowatt spot welder, and this thing can weld pretty much anything, from copper to aluminum, might even stainless steel. Hey, Jaja, say we what's going on, man? I'm glad to have you aboard, man. So we're just going to be working on this part right here. So it's going to be a little short one today. So it's going to be this part right here. We're going to be working on that. So and how we're going to do that, we want to make our copper. Oh, actually, I got an idea. So this is going to be a real copper nickel sandwich. So we're going to have copper, then nickel, and then copper. Okay, so it's going to be two layers, 3 layers. I'm going to say, well, 2 layers of copper, 1 layer of nickel. Okay, so we're not going with point 0.3. We're going to go with point 0.3 on the positive side. We're going to go with the point 0.2, point 0.5 on this. Now, how we're going to do that is we're going to move this out of the way, and we are going to get our uh, copper trim right quick. So I got to order some of this tonight, as a matter of fact, because those cells, so Grissom and I think the other customer that I'm building the stuff bomber battery for, the cells just passed custom, so they should be here next week. Okay, so I want to let y'all know that, and I'll be getting the build on that battery. Okay, so just want to let y'all know that for sure. Anyways, all right, let's get to it. So we're going to be using this to cut our, if it's long enough. Let me see. So it's not long enough. Okay, so we're going to keep that, and we're going to cut us another section. So I thought it was going to be long enough, but apparently it wasn't. Okay. Okay, so let's go and cut. All right, so this is long enough. We're going to put that up. Razoo, what's going on, man? Yeah, man, you see what we're doing right quick, man? We're going to be finishing up this battery today, as a matter of fact. We're going to finish it on up, and then after that, it's just soldering the discharge and the charge cable on. Get some, oh, shoot. Hold on 1 minute. I forgot to cut this down right quick. Yeah, so Thomas, if you watching, I just got your notification, and okay. Oh yeah, Sandy Ghost, I think. Live stream in California. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Cash up on the. Thank you, man. Yeah, so we're going to be cutting this out. And that is. So we got to fit. We got to. So in order to do this, we're going to use some paper. Let's see if it's long enough. So I just need it. I just need it for just one template. Okay, because I'm going to cut 2 pieces out right quick. Okay, I'm going to cut 2 pieces out. Right here. It's going to start right here. And you can pretty much feel this. So I can feel where the, let's see here. And then it's going to go straight down like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So there's going to be 2 pieces of this copper, okay? Because we're going to be, this is going to be a unique one right here. So that's going to be unique. I'm on. Hold on, I got it. Hold on 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute. I'm on live right quick. Hold on. Oh, this the guy with the scooter. Hold on 1 minute, guys. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Doing good.
My respect you out. The first time set off 2 days ago, nothing coming in the computer, nothing in the panel. I know about electromechanics, so I open it.
Okay.
I find one wire because I put in no air tire, the vibration.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
You see what I mean? So you got soldering. How much you charge me for soldering the wire? It's right there on the bottom, right there.
Okay.
I put in something and push it. I will make it something, but I'm like, it go fucking on my computer. Huh?
Hey, yeah. So,
you got your time.
yeah, because I'm on live right now.
No,
I'm working right now.
I'll go over there.
Okay.
Come back.
You come back and I'll
How much
start
is that?
I'm not going to charge you for that, man. Just
You say one wire.
one wire.
I push from Main Street to my house.
Oh, yeah.
So I open it, one wire.
Okay. Okay. That's
Thank
probably
you,
for the
sir.
throttle or something.
Thank
All right.
you. Hey, I need to talk to you about another one saying like that.
Okay.
I want it saying like that.
All right.
Same one.
Same one.
Brand new.
Okay.
For the next one, I pay cash. I don't play. I got
Okay.
some for my team.
Okay.
I buy
All
that
right.
one, but man. My
Okay.
baby, thank you, sir. It's
All
my
right,
baby.
all right, yeah.
It's about working.
Yeah.
It's not for happy, it's about working.
Yeah, he works off that. He works off that scooter right there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah.
Why is the back wheel so tiny?
Huh?
Why is the back wheel so tiny?
Yeah, man. I had to what you saying? Okay, so all right, let's go back. So we had to Mark, what's going on, man? We say we're in San Diego. Oh yeah, so world of cars. I see you in the house right quick. I have another one says come on with my new phone, and I have to do with. I have no idea what you're saying right now. Yeah. So let's I appreciate it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and cut out our template for our copper. It doesn't need to be that fat, so we're gonna trim this down a lot. So let's get this trimmed out, so we can put this back on that trace. Okay, so we can put that back on. Hey, Amora, what's going on, man? Okay, no problem, Razu, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, man. So we actually doing our final preparations for this battery, and I want to try to get it to the customer sometime next week. Sometime next week, man. So trying to figure out which. So I just trim a little bit off right there, and then so we got to make this point. Try to make it close to point 15 millimeters wide as possible, and then once we get that, then we can go ahead and make our cutout for our copper. So let's see here. So it's definitely need to go Definitely need to go a little bit narrow. So I'm gonna do that right quick. I think this probably should do it. Getting to work right quick, getting to work. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I think I got that down pat. So now we need to trim this down. Okay. And then this. So it's gonna look like this. So that is what we're doing right here. Oh yeah, DLFI. I was just watching your video about the glitter 811 that you was on trying to weld that 0.3 millimeter copper on the point 0.3. Yeah, and it wasn't whole. So you think we should crank it up to about maybe 65 or 70% to get a solid weld on that 3 millimeter copper? Because I am going to be using that 0.3 millimeter copper on my discharge side. So as soon as I can find that, I'll be using that. So, anyways, and so we got our carbon piece cut out, which is yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. So we're gonna be trying to get this out of the way right quick. Got my piece cut out right now, so we're gonna go ahead and trace that, and we're making two of these. Yeah, we're making two of these. So around about 65, yeah, that's what I'm thinking, to crank it out to around about 65 to 75% for that 0.3 copper. No, not the nickel. No, that's too powerful for that. We're talking about the copper. Cranking it to about 65 to 70% for 0.3 copper. My bad. So that's what that's what I was trying to say right there. My bad, y'all.
Get your shoe on there.
Okay, so
Have you been doing your homework?
Well, I forgot to do it yesterday, but I will.
well, you might as well do it while you're home.
You have school tomorrow.
Yeah,
So you need to turn your homework in tomorrow.
yeah, he gonna turn.
She
All right.
lets you do it.
So we're gonna do
She
two of
lets you
those.
turn it on Monday.
So let's go ahead and get that cut out right quick.
I'm gonna go to Hendrix because Maria wants me to grab her a catfish plate.
Catfish plate. Ugh. Yeah, I barely eat fish, man. But we got some people here that love fish in here. I eat shrimp though, but nothing.
You
No
never
catfish.
Like crab.
What?
You never want crab.
No, don't like.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
come back and drop off their food, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart.
All
and
right.
see what I can get for these.
Yeah. So no, we're gonna be using a point. So Omar, we're gonna be using 0.3 copper and 0.3 nickel. Yeah, we're gonna be using that. Hey, what's going on, MA? Okay, we got Motor Rad. Yeah, what's up from New England? All right. Yeah, man, I'm trying to do this either every day or every other day on this live chat session. You know what I'm saying?
Also, Mom. My
Uh,
costumes.
We're gonna do that today after practice.
Okay. So I got two pieces cut out.
Spirit Halloween is up until 11 o'clock tonight. I'm
Yeah.
sure we're gonna get our costumes.
Yeah. So I got my two pieces cut out.
I'm
Okay.
going to be on the parade.
Are you sure it's
All right.
He said, this week was oh, Lord, my
Oh yeah.
costumes too.
Okay. All right. So let me see here. Let's see here. Let's go and get these cut out right quick. No, I don't. Why you leave the keys in the car? Man, all that stealing going on. People come out here and steal our car.
They ain't gonna steal the car out the front yard with you sitting in the window.
Oh. All right. So we're going to be cutting these out. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and get this down right quick. And just make sure they're uniform. Make sure these two pieces are actually the same and pretty much uniform, so we don't have to do pretty much no trimming at all. right. Okay. What's up? Oh man. Yeah, it's all right, MA man. I'm just in here chilling, man. You know. So we getting this up right quick, and now the nickel is going to be easier, so I'll have to piece. I can piece those together, but I do want this copper to be solid, so no issues with connections. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this out and make sure that the pieces are good. Okay, so I got one piece cut. So I do have one piece cut. It looks like it's a little bit too wide, so let me trim that off just a little bit. Okay, let me trim that up right quick, guys. Just don't like the way it looks. Looks too wide for me, for my taste. Anyways, hold on. I'll get back with y'all in a few minutes. Let me just do this right quick. All right. All right. Yeah, it's I'm almost done now. After I do these two series parallel to series connections, then I gotta flip it over and finish with the positive side. So yeah, it took it took a while because I was actually um, yeah, man. David Hazel, thank you, man. Appreciate that, man. I would definitely appreciate that. Heck yeah, man. Shoot, I'm 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 grateful, man, to have y'all watching my live streams. You know what I'm saying? And so I like the interaction. I love the interaction with y'all. So I gotta cut that. That's way too long. So I'm going to cut that down. Okay. All right. So I got that one done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Get this one trimmed up. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this one right here. I'm gonna put at 45% on both, so that way, okay, get that. I mean, it will be a little bit faster. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm talking with y'all and everything, so it'd been a little bit faster, but I'm interacting with y'all, then we, got some conversations going, about e-bike topics and stuff like that. So but but to be honest, if if I wasn't on the live chat, I probably could have this done in a few days. But I really don't have nowhere to go. So I just do my live session, you know what I'm saying? And then the owner doesn't, you know what I'm saying? He's patient. He's not like the other people like, well, where's the battery and blah 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 and all that stuff. I got people that's really patient, that will that will work with me. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off right quick. Okay, now we're done. Now, so now we got two pieces. Got two pieces cut out. So what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna be sandwiching these two. Okay. I know this is probably overkill, but we're gonna sandwich these two together, and the nickel is gonna be in the middle. Okay, guys. So, we say, yeah, I can do that. I'll do another bit. I do have one. On my 850 controller, but I will do another one once I get my bike back on the road. Then I'll put that video out to do the settings on the 4-drive controller, probably from start to finish. Sorry, probably from start to finish. Probably gonna be a long video, but we'll get it done because I have to set everything. You know, probably just do a little reset, you know what I'm saying? Because I know how to set my parameters and stuff right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done right there. And yeah, that's what's up. Oh yeah, okay. So you guys, okay, I could do that on the 4-jar 72360. All the 4-jars are pretty much the same. It's where you get into the DC amps and the phase amps is a little bit different. So like say like my 4-jar 721200 or the 721800 will be exactly the same, will almost be the same as a 4-jar 72450 or 360 controller. The only things will be different is your phase amps. So you basically you need to set those. If you have a battery that can output more than what the controller can output, so like if you got a 200 amp battery but you have a 190 amp controller, then you pretty much can set that to max, depends on what kind of cells you have. What'd you say, Emma? Batteries, yeah, battery specs, yes. Always have to get the data sheet. I say this time and time again, get the data sheets, because of the fact that, you know, that's going to help you understand your battery pack once you build it up. So that way you don't, run into any issues. So we're not working with the 0.3 by 30. We are going to be working with the 0.3 by 15 nickel. So we're going to be getting this out. And they wrap this bad boy up. I didn't want to poke through it and poke my damn finger, but it'd be easier if I just cut it with a razor. Yeah, so I'll show you this. All right. So here is the roll of the 0.3 by 15. Now I save these boxes like this for something like that. But I do have already have the 0.3 by 15 in the box. So I'm showing y'all this what it looks like when you unwrap it. So this is nickel plated though, okay? Nickel plated steel. Which works best with copper, you know what I'm saying? I think pure nickel can do it too, you know. Yeah, basically, yeah, Omar. So the numbers on the 4-jar actually can dictate what size it is, you know what I'm saying? Like 72450, that's basically 72 volts, 450 phase. So that doesn't go by DC, it actually goes by the phase. So say like a 72 1800 or 96 1800, that means 96 volt 1800 phase, instead of the other way around like Sabaton does theirs, which is 72 200, is represented as a 200 amp controller, but it puts out 450 phase. If it was like they were 4-jar, like say like the 72 1800, it'd have been 72 800, because that controller is an 800 amp controller, but output 1800 phase. So yeah. So Marvin, so you can add a second battery to your e-bike. Now, if you don't have a BMS on those, you like, even if you do have a BMS on, you would like to get the voltage the same. And once you get those voltages the same, you can actually run those in parallel. So it'll be a Y. So you have a Y connector running to the controller. So you have a discharge connector running to these two batteries, and then it merges into one connection. That's how you do that. So all right, let's go ahead and get our nickel right quick. 15. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done. All right. So we already did that before. We actually did that with the Walkie S3 Max e-bike. We did second battery, and we ran those in parallel as well. So let me get this down right here. I want to cut that. From the welder. Okay, so that's firing up. 5.9 volts. We charging the super capacitors at 4 amps. We have 45%. And that's what we're going to be using this spot welder on. Okay. I usually eyeball things when I'm doing this. Okay, the laces, I think what it is, we're making a 72-volt battery right here. It's for an e-bike. And I want to give you the specs on it, just in case you want to do one like this for yourself. It is a 72-volt 20-amp-hour battery. We're using 21700 Samsung 30T cells. This is a 6P configuration, 20S6P. Maximum continuous discharge is 210 amps. All right. The peak probably a little bit higher. These has so each cell are 35 amps. Times that by 6, and you get your maximum continuous discharge. Fully charged of each cell is 4.2 volts. Low voltage cut off at 2.5, and but if you want to do it from times 20, low voltage cutoff is 50 volts. Fully charged is 84 volts. So that's what we are working with right now. So yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, you got to be super concentrated. Yeah, man. It didn't take me long though, man. It didn't really take me long, man. It only took me about a year, man, to even know how to make batteries. To me configure this, but I had help. I didn't do it by myself, so I had help with some couple of colleagues of mine. Number one is Gary Hensley. He the one actually taught me how to do this configuration right here. You know, but it's not the same with my tummy bike batteries. I do those a little bit different from this. All right, so let's go ahead and get my shoes out of the way, and we're going to be firing this up. We're going to be start to get these sparks going, like John Motor says. He is actually the one that actually took that picture that I did a post with. Okay. All right, so let's get this done. We are going to use one copper piece. Okay. Lay it carefully down. Sound like that. That's too fat. Okay, so let me get my scissors right quick. I don't like that's too fat. So we're going to lighten this bad boy. We're going to get a sucker. What do you call it? Weight Watchers. And make it a little bit skinnier. I think I'm going to do the same thing for this one while I'm at it. Okay. I got to clean up this table, guys. So there's a lot of copper, a lot of nickel on here. All right. So we got Ricardo. Thank you, Ricardo. No, you don't have to balance each cell. Like for instance, we're going to go do this again. So say like this cell right here is 3.9 volts. This one's at 3.7. This one's at 3.8. When you put these in parallel like this, they will both balance each other out, and that will give. And then you measure these all together, and will give you. Let's say for instance, let's put this down because we got this already spot welded. So we'll put that down. Let's give a measurement. Let's get a measurement right quick. I don't know if it's going to be the same, but we're going to give a measurement. Okay, and we're going to put this down right here. Okay. All right. Y'all can see that? All right, let's measure. And we can measure one cell because we got a piece of nickel right here. Okay. So what's that is 3.7 or 3 point, because it looks like it's backwards. Let me see. I want to get this right here. Okay, let's get this right like that so y'all can actually see it. So I'm trying to do this. Let's see here. So y'all can see it. Can y'all see? Y'all can't see that. Damn it. All right, hold on. But take my word for it. So we're going to read. We are going to read each cell. This one is reading 3.7. The one in the middle, 4.3. And this one is reading 4.4. Okay. So when you add, let's see, when you add nickel on the top like this, we should get a reading. And what it's going to do is going to charge, one cell is going to charge each other. Okay. And we'll get a total reading. Okay. Let's see. Oh shoot, I ain't got it in. There we go. So we got a reading of 4.4 all across the board. Okay. Yeah. So that's what happens when you actually put saying when you run these in parallel. Oh shoot, I done missed a lot of people. Oh, we got Mitch in the house. We got Super Tiny. Okay. Yeah, man, just doing good. So yeah, you definitely late to, let me see, hold on. So we got Phil Rush saying you confused about the batteries. Well, you can, and if you trying to power a house, no saying, I'll say just go through you can do a inverter type deal, and yeah, so I don't really know about houses right like that, but let me see here. So we got Steven. What's up, Steven? uh yeah, man, so that's that. I know how it is, Steven, man, because I could have had my bike running too, but you know Fred, I can do batteries for Sarons too. I'm actually going to do once. So yeah, all right, so let's go ahead and so we get, what's up, Big Red? Oh man, appreciate it, man. Yeah, man, pretty much. So I do have a scooter to fix, and I'm going to do maybe a live stream on, saying I'm going to put some heavier gauge spokes on my QS273. Me and my son. My son is rough on his bike, so I got to do his. I didn't break a spoke, but I know he broke one. At least he likes to wheelie his bike, so um, so we're going to go ahead and toughen up those. And the owner that's buying actually buying a Tommy by Icon from me, I'm going to go ahead and have his already made, so that way when it gets here, all I gotta do is slap it on. So we're gonna go ahead and do this now. We're doing a what's up, Al? Al Jim Payne, what's going on, man? Got Mr. Gobi in here. All right, so I'm gonna demonstrate what I'm saying. So we got a copper here, nickel, and then copper. So it's gonna be like that on this, just only on this right here. So this is the real copper nickel sandwich, huh? What's this? A BLT, bacon, lettuce, uh, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. All right, yeah. What's up, Jimmy? Okay. All right. So we got old Jimmy Romeo in the house. So we're gonna go ahead and slap this on right quick. Hello. Okay. Now we're gonna get our nickel. And we're gonna carefully lay that down. All right. Let's move it on out right quick. All right. So there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and do our first weld on this just to get that bad boy down. And we're off. We have fireworks. We have liftoff. All right. All right. So we're gonna keep going. Gonna keep going. And DIY 500 amp did make a good point. With a welder this powerful, you really don't need four to do four little craters. You can just do like one spot weld, and it has a solid connection. Okay, so we got that down right there. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know, Jimmy, man. I mean, I ain't been a while since I watched sports though, because I've been so busy. You know what I'm saying? With, are you all right?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's just funny.
Huh?
We're gonna go to Walmart to see about a Halloween costume.
Oh, y'all ain't going to Spirit Halloween?
No, you didn't want to go. Let me finish.
Okay, what?
They don't have anything he doesn't like there.
Y'all went already?
No, I said
Oh.
if they don't have what he wants at Walmart, then after practice tonight we'll go to Spirit Halloween.
The only difference between Walmart's gonna
be cheaper.
No, but I'm saying the only difference between Walmart and Spirit Halloween is that Spirit Halloween might have something different because you know they're gonna have that Halloween parade at school.
Yeah, he says it's tomorrow, but I don't know. I have to wait till Marie comes back with his folder because his folder's in her car.
Oh.
Because I was gonna fill the paperwork out last night, and then I just.
Glenn, what's going on, man? Okay.
I'm going on 2 hours of sleep right now.
Okay. All right. Things, $10 in the work. Good. So Phil, what kind of nickel are you working with? So I got a lot. Yeah, this one has the same, and at 99 levels of power. This one has the same, and so let me go ahead and get our piece right there. Yeah, you got to bring that in. You got to bring that in, buddy, because my solder doesn't reach that far. So I gotta. Hold on. Yeah, bro. Yo, you gotta bring that in. Bring it in. Bring it in, man.
He's there. You want to go? No, I need to fire.
Uh huh.
Yeah, I don't want to burn my computer.
I had to check that out. I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Come on. Hold on, guys. Yeah. All right. What's up? What? No, this is a bad for customer. I gotta ship it up north.
You got free scooter, I told you. It's a quick, papi.
Yeah, hold on.
I'll pay you, papi.
Hold on. Let me just hold on. Just hold on.
Sorry.
Yeah, man. You know, doing a little working. You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't want to bother you, papi.
Yeah, let me see what we got here.
I got the welding. I got everything. Annoyance.
Yeah, Nico, nothing beats this A11, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see.
It's foolish.
Okay, yeah. We got Pat Kaza. What's up, man? Yes, sir. Kyle. Kyle, I don't know, man. Email me though. Email me, man. We're gonna talk. We need to talk. Yeah. Yeah, let's talk. All right. So yeah, show them what you talking. Show them what you working with there, bro. All right. So we're gonna get this. All right. Okay. In the air and there, gotta do something right quick. Let me see here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Gotta need a little bit. Hold on, guys. What you say now? All right. All right, let's continue. What's that? All right, so we got it done. Now we need to add one more layer of copper. Oh, what's up? What's up? You got DC 5 owners up here. Oh, when is a good power? That is a good question. That is a good question. RC FPV. I would say anything over 1,000, right at 2,000 watts. You know what I mean? Even no, to be honest, even though if you run a high power control, even 1,000-watt motor, which might not last long, you still can potentially have that drop out, the axle spinning out of that drop out. So I would say those 750-watt hub motors those gear hub motors you see, they pretty much don't need dropout because you're not really running a lot of power through that. But I would just say just slap them on those direct drives, so 1,000-watt motors, man. So, so yeah, you're right, Steve. Yeah, no, these are 21700s. Maserati, what's going on, man? Okay. Man, I done burnt. You know what, West Coast, man, I done burnt 2 of those UKC1 displays, man. I was, matter of fact, I was riding coming home and my whole bike completely shut off. So I got here, I did a video on this. So, oh, excuse me right quick. We got.
No, you do, brother. You do.
All right, let me see what he got. Y'all gonna see too. Y'all gonna see too right quick. So, cause this is like my audience right here, so they gonna see everything. Let me grind this down right quick, cause I'm putting copper on this one. And then once we get that copper done, we're gonna crank this up to about 50. All right. Let me grind this down right quick. Let me see what we got going on. All right. Thank you, Big Red. Thank you, Big Red. Woo. Oh man. Oh yeah. Yeah, I will sell one for if I get one in, Chris. I'll let you know. I'll sell one to you. Shoot, heck yeah. Might sell one to you cheaper. So let's go and see what this guy got going on. Oh, what you got going on? So, what the hell?
From the main street, the welding, because I put in no air tight at the vibration, but my wire to the cone. You see, I can see right because I got injury in my eyes.
Right.
I got black one, I got the red one. The red one, so it is welding, so I can work it because too short. So I put in some hard wire for car, that's for car.
Okay.
So can run for a few days, but he started touching and touched it. He shut off.
So you just want me to solder that in?
Right there.
Huh?
It's straight off right there.
You want me to solder right there?
Yes. You see? I'm
Yeah.
putting that piece for something now. Can work, you know what I'm saying? Can
Yeah.
go far. But now I put it out the black one, I need winning that.
Yeah, this is the main controller right here. That's
I know. It's like a model.
Huh. All right. Dang, that thing is hot. Okay. All right. Let me I solder right there.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Maybe I just solder right directly on this part right there.
Take it, black.
Yeah, y'all see that, guys? So
Thank you, sir.
yeah.
No, you're the boss. I see.
Just hold on.
I know somebody's smart. I know quick.
Just hold on. Let me see what I got going on here. Let me plug this in. I'm gonna plug my stuff in right quick. I'm gonna help him out, guys, right quick, and then we'll continue our battery build video right quick. So let me go ahead and get this turned on right quick. I'm about to put my yeah. So let's take a look at that again, and so we're gonna get a flashlight. So we are going to be grabbing the Workos HD11. I had did a review on that, and that's going to be a perfect flashlight that we can use to actually work on his scooter. So let me go ahead and see if I can find it right quick, because I do have it. Let's see. So I got, okay, there it is. So I have my Workhorse HD11. Now, reason why I'm using this, because it swivels. Okay. So this swivels, and I know this is not steel, so that's aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
So
This is steel right there.
yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this on so y'all can see right quick. So we're gonna see what's going on.
You see the black one, right? I can see right because my security can
Yeah.
see. That plate I put in for alignment, not touch nobody. This is mine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting that thing for something now. I put it out that thing. Make sure it's
So
safe.
Ben,
No, make sure I'm not touching nobody.
I don't know what kind of connection that is. It's not an XT60 connector.
Right there. You go
Yeah.
right, you go right there.
Okay, and you want me what that red wire goes right there, right?
Yeah, straight up there.
Okay.
I'm putting that one for can working, you know what I'm saying? I'm not working small thing like you.
Okay.
You the boss in that thing, Papi. I'll give it to you.
All right. Let me get my.
No,
Let me
no,
make
you
sure
don't.
this is
No, I know you're smart.
Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
I see.
All right.
Quick.
All right. Hold on.
Going to. I know. Who's smart? Who's not smart?
All right. Let me get this.
That's it. My respect. In electric, my respect, Papi. My respect, for real.
Uh-huh.
Huh? What? Shit, I never seen nobody like that.
Right, but my solder's not coming on for some reason. Let me see. Yeah, my solder irons. No, let me see. I gotta make sure I got the right cord plugged in. Oh, I don't. Let me see. Yeah, I don't. So that's the reason why I don't. Let me unplug something here. Yeah. Okay.
I'm homeless right now. I lost everything, Papi. I lost everything. Only I got my Mercedes-Benz, my Tucson Lipton.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So we got going on. So if you're not okay from Jamaica, what's going on, man? All right. So yeah, so it works. It's just that we got a burnt wire on this. It's like a 45 amp connector or something like that, you know, that I'm looking at. So I'm gonna put the phone down, and so y'all can see what we're working with. Yeah, because I'm like I say, I do YouTube. No, I'm good. They're gonna see exactly what we got going on. So waiting on my solder iron to actually warm up, and I'm gonna go get me some water and get some solder right quick. I get my solder right quick. Just find out where it's at. Yeah, man, this is what I do, man. I work on e-bikes, e-bikes and e-scooters. That's what I work on.
I like that scooter, Bobby.
Yeah.
My life. Tools. It's not a play. It's a tools.
Right.
It's a tools. My tools.
I always thought, how the hell that even happened? I should have had a solid connection on that. I should have had a solid connection on that, y'all. All right, let's play that right there, and then that's not aluminum, so you might hold. Yeah, you can hold it.
Yes,
yeah,
sir,
hold
yes,
it.
Sir. Yes, sir. You got it.
Okay, so we got negative, and there's a positive going into that. So I need to solder right there, because that's what's going to happen, that just that happen like that, it's creating a lot of voltage sag. So we need to get that soldered in.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know. Let me see. Let me get this. Let's just see if I can even solder on that.
This is what happened. I'm putting the long one like that can working.
Let me see.
Good. Well.
All right. Let's see. I don't know if it's hot enough. Oh, it is hot enough.
Yeah. It's a 50-50.
This is a big boy here, but the wire's not taking the solder.
The acid, we need the acid.
Yeah.
50-50 got the acid inside.
This is let me weld down here. Let me weld this down here real quick.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, move your flashlight.
You got it. My father mechanic teaching me putting light, not on the face. I remember. It's on it. Yes, Daddy.
No, this is the best solder. I get this from Hall Frame.
Yeah, but you
It
got
should.
the acid.
Yeah. No, I got flux, but it shouldn't. I shouldn't have to work.
You put in flux, you go clean it. You
Yeah,
go
I
wet
shouldn't
it.
have to do with flux. Let me see. I got flux though.
I got paper for that. That's what you got wet it, Bobby. There, you see that?
Huh.
You're not stuck. You're not stuck. You're not stick in the wire.
No, it ain't stick. That's crazy.
You put in the salt, the acid, you go.
Oh man. Hold on, guys. Oh, hold on, guys.
Thank you, sir. My respect. You know about that much of
Yeah, but man, dang.
I don't know.
It's hard. Cause, all right. So we got flux.
That's it. You touch it, I think chaps. No, you got the boy for baby. You're like a doctor, huh, Papa?
All right.
I like you, Joe.
Give me a minute. Yeah. All
I
right.
like you, Joe. You're working right. Mm-hmm. That's not right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You take it good with the acid. You got an acid in my country.
All right.
You see wrong?
All right.
Anyway.
Yeah, I got the stuff though,
You're the
but
best puppy. You're the best puppy. I know
Okay.
you got everything. He's sorry, Bobby. You know, welcome.
all right, there we go.
Welcome to you from, Bobby.
Huh?
Welcome to you from.
We mean no, I'm
Welcome
USA.
to-
No.
Okay.
No.
Puerto Rican. I'm Puerto Rican.
Oh, Puerto Rican? Okay. Yeah.
So a lot of people like that working that thing like that.
Uh-huh.
Specialists from Bahamas, from San Thomas, San Croix.
Oh yeah.
I certificate welding, but my teacher in the street,
Yeah.
they wrote them from San Croix.
Oh yeah.
From Puerto Rico, and this is teaching me.
Yeah. We good now.
That's it.
Yep. That's it.
Thank you. No, I covered up my house.
Okay. Go ahead. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Sorry there, man.
Everything I will call. You got any call? I call my house. I got call.
Okay.
I got it. I don't want to buy it. Thank you.
No, you good. Okay. You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right.
This is my guy. My two boys. It's an overplay. It's overwork.
Right. Yeah. For work. Yeah.
Get my food. Get my boy. Get my rent.
Yeah, man.
Get my shit.
Yeah, man. I gotta help him out, man. He buy that thing every day.
I went to that tire with me.
Mhm.
Just wait. I don't want all the other people to fight.
All right.
I
So.
know right now if you want. He told me. You can hold it. That tire in the back
Yeah.
with the ring and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
I want it. The tire, the ring, original. That's original.
Okay. Okay.
I want you to say how much.
Yes.
What time can come here. I don't want to pay for me. You know,
Yeah. Don't forget the
You don't hide
screwdriver
it,
guy.
You don't hide it.
Huh?
My son, like my son.
Yeah.
The white car buy bicycle for you. He said, Papi, I pay. I said,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
yeah, it's my son.
Oh,
It's my
okay.
son, bro. It's a leaf, man.
Okay. So yeah. So we're back again. So we got our this side connected. Now we're gonna be doing copper. Another layer of copper, and then we're going to finish this off with 0.3 millimeter copper and 0.3 millimeter nickel. So let's lay this back down. We do have another copper piece put out. So, the dimensions? Huh? Okay. Got my screwdriver back, DC 5 owners.
I'll come back later for check the tire or whatever, how much.
Okay.
I'm going to pay today.
Okay.
I'm paying it from. I don't know
We'll
what.
see. Yeah, we'll see what's up. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause, I'm working till 5 o'clock today. So,
Okay, what time can come?
before 5.
Okay, I got you, Papa. I need that tire. I put in too many bullshit. Anytime I put in my 200-300 pounds, Papi.
Yeah.
You see what happened? I go far. I go shivering with that shit.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you come back with same battery. See what happened?
So I say about 15.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Have a great day.
15 by 9.5 by 12 3/4, and then we got 3 inches for right now. Yeah. So the app I use is called Cool Links. I will have it down next time when I do a video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I know. Um, oh, oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's nerve wracking DIY 500. See, I do use tape when I do these connections. I use tape, you know, so I don't have to do any cross, short circuit and stuff like that. But I'm doing this so that way, these guys can see what I'm doing. And dang, full zero gauge wire, pull four, damn, zero gauge wire. I'm using 2/6 so I don't know how much it is. Maybe I can go with four gauge wire. But I'm on another thing too. So everybody get it twisted when I need a heavier wire gauge. It's the weight of the bike. So the more load, the more heavy the bike is, the more load you're gonna have, the more current you're gonna pull. So my bike's 150. You got step arms out there that's over 200 pounds with those heavy batteries, the QS273 motor, heavy motorcycle brakes, heavy motorcycle tires. They need that extra gauge wire, a bigger, smaller gauge wire, so that way they don't burn up. So my bike's 150 pounds. I don't need that. And I was trying to tell a lot of people. I was trying to tell a lot of people about that. You know what I'm saying? Like I had a mountain bike, a 29 mountain bike with a QS25 and a 200 Sabaton controller with only 8 gauge. I was running 10 gauge at one time, but 10 gauge wasn't enough. So I switched it up to 8 gauge. And I had no problems running that bike all the way until that battery started degrading itself. So I was using 8 gauge with a XT90 connector. That's what I was using it with, you know. So the one was a 3.5T. That's what it was. So I used all right. So I had 3.5T on all the motors. We did do a 2T at one time with the Far Driver 890 controller, but something happened with the motor burnt up and it caused the. But I was like, man, there's no way we could have burnt this motor up. But upon more inspection, we had found out that that motor was already dropped. It had some damage in the coil, so it looked like almost one of the coils was messed up. So, all right, anyways. All right, so we're yeah, I know Omar. So we're gonna be welding this copper on top of the nickel, and this is gonna complete our copper nickel sandwich. Now this is copper nickel sandwich right here. Copper nickel sandwich, copper nickel sandwich. I don't need no glasses for this. I don't think so. I don't need glasses for this. This is not gonna shoot no sparks. So no, we're gonna go ahead and get this down. And that's plenty. That's plenty of power for this copper. Almost to the point where it's welding to the nickel. Okay. All right. So that. Oh, Chris, I love this spot welder, man. Boy, this spot welder's off the chain, boy. Let me tell you something. Yeah, man, this thing is off the chain, boy. Let me tell you something. So this is. So look at this. So since this connection is going to be a lot more load and heavier than the rest of them, because the rest of them is all clumped together like mold, as you can say. Yeah, DR found it. So we did copper, nickel, and copper. So we sandwich, and it looks pretty good. So there it is. So that is our batter almost done. It's almost done. So so now we're going to be doing a final, which is this one. I found it made me to stop. So yeah, we're gonna be doing these 6 right here, and we're gonna be using .3 nickel and .3 copper. So let's go set that down. All right. Okay, so let's get our copper. Find out where that's at right quick. Move. So I gotta find my .3 millimeter copper. Oh, there it is. So, all right, this is what we're working with. What's up now? Oh, Big Red, yeah. So this is what we're working with. So we got .3 by 15 per copper. This came with the welder, to be honest. This one actually came with the welder. So we're going to be using this. And then we're using our .3 by 15 nickel. So we're going to go ahead and get this cut. And then we're going to get our nickel cut for our final. So when I get done with this, I'm gonna show you our next live session, what we're gonna be doing. So I got to repair 2 batteries. One is off a Mini V2 that it doesn't work no more. So we're thinking it's the BMS. So what I'm gonna take it apart, and we're going to test the voltage. We're going to test the voltage at the BMS and then before the BMS. So we're going to just test that out, see what's going on with that, so that way we can repair it, because it's for a kid. And it's at Roy's house. So Roy rides that scooter. So we're done. We're almost done. Had no mishaps, no sparks flying, no fires. You know, all right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right. So we're going to make sure this is right. Okay. All right. So we're going to just crank it up to 50. Okay. So we're going to crank this up to about 55. I don't think we're going to need it, but we're going to do it anyways. So definitely going to put on our glasses for this one. Shoot, so we're going to scoot that back just a little bit. I want that to cover. Okay, bring it up some, bring it up some. Okay, all right, here we go. Whew. All right. We can turn that off. We don't need it no more. We'll set that to the side. We are done with this welder for right now. We are going to be welding some more next week. I don't know if y'all want to see more battery builds. Do y'all want to see more battery builds? I am building 2 more Stealth Bomber batteries. Let me know if y'all want to see some more, and then we'll do that too. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so it's I got copper, nickel, and then copper. Yeah. All right. So we'll do that. We're gonna do some more battery builds. We're gonna do some more battery builds. We got Stealth Bomber battery build coming up. We also got a scooter repair video. I'm probably gonna do that live. Most of those I'm gonna do live. Yeah, most of those like repair videos and stuff. Like most of the repair videos, I'll probably just do those live. Battery build videos I'm gonna do live. Probably the BMS, the one with the BMS. That's the one I'm gonna do live. so that way y'all can, so I can show y'all how to wire up a BMS and everything. So that's what. Yeah. Uh, Coles Prime, man. I would like to buy one. I really do, but man. You want me to do the Brett? So you want me to do the live session on how to do the battery leads and fish paper, all this stuff? I mean, if you want to, I can do that too. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So, let's see here. Hold on. Let me see what you're saying, Lewis. Okay, okay. All right. So we got a bunch of people saying yes. So yeah, I do that. I can do that. Ain't no problem. I will definitely do that. So all right. So we're basically done far as spot welding goes, and I'm going to mark this as 20. So our 20, okay, and that's going to be our plus, and then our negative, that's going to be our negative right down here, and this is going to be number 1. Now, so let's go ahead and look this over. So y'all seen that we did this. This wasn't as difficult as the ones down here, like I had to connect these. So this does have copper in between. Let me see. So we have copper first, nickel, then copper. So what on this one, what we did is we actually took copper, and then we sandwiched it like that. So that's the way we did it first, but we actually added another layer of copper on top. So actually the nickel is in between, is actually sandwiched inside the 2 copper pieces. Okay, so yeah, so it's copper, nickel, copper. so so joining, so you have to go back on my battery build all the way to where I started, and then I show you how to join those together from parallel to and make them series connections. you know um so 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 anyway, so yeah, well, we're gonna flip it over. Because the negative and the positives on this side, but I just wanted to show you this part right here is a little different than this, because this is just copper nickel. This one's actually copper nickel copper. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this over. So I have them already numbered and correspondent. So we have our negative, which is 1, and you see, and these numbers will show you how they are connected. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then 6, 7. Hold on 1 minute, and read this right quick. Let me see here. So I'm sorry, guys. So I had to read that. I have no idea what that was, but I'll read that after the if you missing on this battery build video. So we're going to continue what we're doing. So yeah, so this is, so on the other side was the copper nickel copper, but as you see, I have the corresponding numbers. So this is like when you want to connect the BMS. Okay, so when you connect the BMS, you want to have your series and parallel to series number, so that way you can see. But you're going to start with the negative wire first. Okay, that's where you're going to start with your negative wire, and then you work your way all the way up to your positive, which is right here. Okay, yeah, this is pretty heavy. Yeah, so this is pretty heavy. So we're pretty much done with this. Bring it out right here. So all right, so we're done with that. Now, since we're done with spot welding, we're gonna go ahead and let's see. I guess we're gonna go ahead and do do our because this is not getting the BMS, but we should go ahead and probably do a connections. I do want to say that for a later time to do the connections, because I'm gonna run it. I don't know how to get with the owner, see where he wants the discharge wire to come out, and then I can run it from there. And then we do got some fish paper, so I'm going to bring that up real quick. And we do have some foam. So I do have some fish paper that we're going to be using to wrap this up. So I'm going to put that right there. That's going to be for tomorrow. Yeah. So that's going to be for tomorrow. And put this up right here, and we're done with that. And yeah, so this is a little yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. We'll probably do it tomorrow. So tomorrow's Friday, and yeah, we call this fish paper. They call it fish paper. It's like insulating paper though, but when you want to get this is adhesive too. So it's sticky on the back. So all we have to do is cut our pieces and pretty much put it on the battery, and it's going to stick to it. And yeah, so it's Thursday today, and we're going to tomorrow we're going to go ahead and put our connections on, put our fish paper on, and we're going to get some foam in here. We're going to get the foam after. So we're going to get the fish paper, and then we're going to use some Gorilla tape. So we're going to use some Gorilla tape, okay? So we got some Gorilla tape, fish paper. Let's see here. And we have some foam. So we have some foam that's going to go in as well. This is also adhesive. Okay. We're going to be using 8-gauge wire. We're probably going to go with a XT90 on this. So let me show you the wire that we're going to be using before we go. So I have this type of wire. So we got that wire. That's going to be for our positive. And then we're going to have our negative. That's 10 gauge. We got an 8 gauge out. Okay, that's 8 gauge. So we have 8 gauge, and then this is 10 gauge wire. Let's see, make sure what we got. You can tell 8 gauge is thicker. Okay. Let's see. No, it's 8 gauge. Okay. All right. So we have 8 gauge. So that's what we're gonna use in for our finishing product. And then I have more, hopefully I have more triangle barriers to build, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I would like to use yeah, I don't want to hide the artwork, but unfortunately I have to go ahead and use my black wrap, which is right here. I don't know which size it is. It might be this. No, it's smaller than this. So this is for like the stealth bomber batteries I'm using. I think it's this one. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. I believe I do have the size for these triangle batteries. I know it's not this one. It might be this one right here. So I have everything I need to wrap this up. What's up, son?
Why do we got a syringe on the ground?
Oh, a syringe? Oh, that's my flux. That's my flux. So I believe it's this one. I believe it's this one right here. Yeah, totally this one. So I do have the wrap for the triangle battery. So we're good to go. No, I don't have stickers. I do have one. Let me see. Hold on. I gotta get my boy Maurice to make more. Dang, I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Hold on. I'm gonna put this on his battery too, as a matter of fact. So I do have this one. Powered by E-bikeguy Performance. So we're gonna be putting that sticker on his battery. I got one of these left. So yeah, okay. So guys, so that is it for today's battle. But I'm going to show you what I'm fixing to do. If y'all want to come with me in the back.
I know, and I'm in a live without having me in it.
Yeah, I'm sure, man. I was done. I was.
Want any fish?
Huh?
I know you don't eat it.
What's
Fish.
that? Oh yeah, yeah. Cody said he had to go get some catfish and all that stuff. I think some people right here like catfish.
Yep, catfish.
So we got Raymond. So how much for that battery? 1,100 some change. That'll make this battery for you right quick. You know what I'm saying? I got to get the charger for this, so I'm gonna get a 4 amp, 72 or 4 amp charger for that. So I'm gonna order that. I'm gonna order that today, as a matter of fact. Yeah. DC5 owner said, yeah, his cook right.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
So after you want to see it.
Yeah, she said, do you want to see it? I don't want to see it. Nah, I don't. So he said need the recipe for that fried deep catfish. So we're gonna be putting this up. We got the foam ready to go. He said you want to see that catfish. Catfish. Nah.
Well, hot sauce. This half of it. The other half is in the plate.
No. No. Not me. Okay, so let's go out here in the back. Let me show you what I gotta do next, okay, on my live session, okay? So, oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna put it on the table too. So I had to move the welder and everything out of the way to put it on the table. So I made so we have 120 views, we have 42 likes, which is fantastic, and a total of $11. Almost $12 today that I had made. Thanks to everybody for pitching in and giving that super thanks. All right, so here we go. This is what we're working on. Let me turn the camera on. Oh yeah, Levi. Okay. What's going on? So here it is. So we got this Chroma scooter. I just pulled out. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay. So we do have a live session going on with this one. And what's going on with this scooter that I took the floor out. And just to check the battery. Battery is good. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Hold on. I keep putting on Wi-Fi. Hold on 1 minute. Jesus. Definitely do. Okay. All right, now. Anyway, so as y'all noticed that I did a review on the scooter. It's a Chroma scooter. It's a 500 watt hub motor in the back. It does have drum brakes in the front, and we has the nice thumb throttle, the grips, like the grips, bell. I mean, I practically love it. It's pretty powerful. So what's going on is that I gave this away to one of my subscribers. So what happened was when you press the power button, it does not come on at all. So we have no, and that's what's going on with this Area Rider Grizzly. Is doing the same thing. So what we doing? We got another controller. Yeah, the C5. Yeah, we got that one too. So we're gonna do probably another controller install. We're gonna bypass this display right here, and we're gonna be putting another display on the left side of the scooter. You said check the fuse. Damn, that might be good. I'm going to see if this thing got a fuse tomorrow. Okay. We're going to go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get the seat off. Well, we can flip this over. I'm going to show you what's going on. So let me get this flipped over right quick. And I'm going to show y'all. We're going to take the battery off. Okay. So I don't know if it has a fuse. I don't know if that scooter has a fuse though, but we're gonna definitely see. We're gonna definitely see right quick. So let's go and sit down right quick, and we're gonna just get this propped up. I'm gonna lay the scooter down, guys. So I'm gonna lay the scooter down. Let's see here. I'm gonna lay it down right here, and the battery compartment is right there. I might just have to put it up. Let's see here. Just give me 1 minute. See what I can do. Might have to prop this up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prop it up. Hold on, guys. And I guess we're gonna check it right there. But I did took the screws out. So I did took the screws out, and it doesn't want to sit down properly. So we're gonna probably lean this up against the table. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this cover off right quick. So we're gonna go ahead and take this cover off right quick and see what we got going on. All right. There's only 2 screws holding this in. Okay. All right. We'll take this cover off right here. Let's see here. Damn, I might have to sit this down. Hold on, guys. Oh, let me. Okay. All right. So let's get this bad boy off right quick. I didn't see if it had a fuse in it, but I noticed that there's no voltage. I mean, you got voltage coming. Okay, let's see here. We got that off right there. Let's see. Yeah, I was supposed to have one of those DC5 on a tripod where y'all can see me work on this stuff, and I have yet to see it, so I don't know what's going on with it. Now, like I say, we have voltage coming out here, so I did test the voltage from the battery. So I know I have voltage going into the battery, but now I don't know where a fuse at. So we got the phase wires down here going to the hub motor. This is the battery, and we got like I say, we got another set of phase wires connections right here, but I don't see no fuse. Yeah, I really don't see a fuse. I don't see one on the side either. So let me see. Yeah, I don't see one. That's where the charging port's at. I don't see. Yeah. So anyways, so I'm probably gonna stick the new controller right here. So this is like a 15 amp, 40 volts right there, and then we have a current limit of 15 amps. Yeah, I did check the wires too. DC5 ones. I checked the wires. Nothing didn't seem out of place. There was one wire that was unhooked, but yeah, I mean it's pretty like ordinary. So I mean, that's glue right here. That's foam. So we got a little foam right there. That's just a. So I don't know, guys. Oh, let me see. Okay, no, that's good. That's good. So I don't know. Trying to look up there and see. I didn't see nothing pitch. He said he was riding and it just shut off. He said it was just riding and it just shut off on him. So I thought it might have been somewhere in the display. Might not be the controller. It might just be display. But I don't know how to bypass the display and turn it on. But you know, so yeah, that's for another day. Anyways, I do have another control that's going to go in there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. It don't look water damaged either. I mean, this is waterproof, so it has a waterproof seal right here. So all this waterproof. You know, that's why I checked that too, but it don't look like no water got in there. So I don't know. Probably was, man. I don't know. So I just figured it out sometimes. Maybe yeah. So Nico said bypassing display is easy, but I see some wires right here though. I know the display's right here, so that's the display. So I don't know. We'll figure that out though. I got a new whole set going in this thing. You know what I mean? So anyways, so I'll show you what I got going on. I'll show you what control is going on right quick. Probably do a video live. I'm probably do a live session and a video on that. No, I don't have a kickstand switch. It just kickstand was up and it just shut off. What's up?
Oh, I thought you was already up there.
No, I'm finna be off in a few minutes.
I need to start to drink though.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta. I'm gonna show them what kind of control I'm going here, and then we're going to end this session for the day. because I do. So we're hour and 25 minutes. So here is a new controller that's going to go on the scooter. We're going to move this battery out the way. So let's move this battery out the way. All right. So just bridge the blue and the red. Okay. I'll probably do that. If it works, Nico, I'm gonna do that. I'll let you know I'll let you know on the post. Okay. So I have a new display. Now this is $45 that you can get on eBay. I mean Amazon is saying. So we have a display, and we have the controller that's gonna go in. And this one sounds like it has a red and I would love to use that display that's on that. I'm gonna check and make sure that I can, you know what I'm saying? But this is actually a scooter controller. So it's 350 watts. So you said how many batteries in the pack? What you talking about the battery we just did? It's 120. So 120, 21700s in this pack right here. So but anyway, so this one is 13 amps. So it's a little bit lower than the one that's on that scooter, but it's 40 volts, 350 watts. And it comes with a display for $45 you get on Amazon. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing. Nico, I'm going to try that. As soon as I get off the live session, I'm going to go ahead and try that, see if that works. And yeah, so we're going to end that. So we're going to end this live session today. I do appreciate y'all watching. And we're gonna do some more tomorrow. We're actually gonna bring the scooter in, so that way, and it's gonna be right here on this table, so we can go ahead and actually can replace those that controller and get all this right here. Okay, so I really do appreciate y'all. So y'all that actually come on, man. We just did a 20S 6P battery setup, and we just evaluated a scooter. So Country Boy and DC5 owners. We got Nico in the house. Let's see, we had Big Reg. Yeah, he was there. Super Tiny Spy, Mick, man, all y'all, man, appreciate that. You know, Electric Cycle just got in here. I just saw you, man. Yeah, appreciate it. And yeah, man, I really appreciate it, man. All the support that y'all give me. So keep doing. Oh yeah, Omar, forgot about you, Brett too. yeah, it's been a good day. We did a good job. We did this right here, so. But all right, guys. So I'm gonna go and do that. Nico, I'll let you know on the email, okay? That I got there, right? All right, man. I'll see y'all later, man. DC5 talk to you later, man. All right. Okay.